brand new G-Class 2025-26 is out, and of course we've got an updated exterior kit, starting here with the side mirrors and the front light covers. They're basically very similar to the old kit but adopted to the new style here with the golden DMC logo. Look at this brand new pre-pack mold that we made for these. These are now 100% carbon fiber. Let's turn them around. These are replacement for the side mirrors, add-ons for the frames. You can see the plugs on the mirrors, so these fit right in place. Then here we've got on the very top and very bottom, we've got the rear window exterior vent trims, and the other 10 pieces are the body trims that go right around the G-Class. These are available in glossy carbon fiber as well as in matte. So let us know when you place the order and we'll get this ready in preference color and finished. But now let's come to the exciting part. On the front bar, we've got the adopted 2025 Plus LED bar, which gives a really, I think this is a must-have for every G-Class. It takes minimal height. You see this here, we actually make use of the existing curvature, so this is not much since the whole car curves down at the front. So you see the LED portions just prolong where the roof line is anyway, and in this really beautiful dry carbon fiber, pre-packed carbon fiber with a matte finish here. The rear wing also adopted for the new 25-26 model. It's very important for us that we still have to come into our garage. So we listened, and again, beautiful with the DMC logo here. And of course, these are all TUV certified in Germany. Thank you so much for looking at this brand new video. We hope to see you in our next video as well. Let us know comments down below how we can improve, and I'll see you next time. The DMC Live.